Hi guys, welcome to Asedoskitchen. To my subscribers, thank you for always showing up. I appreciate every one of you and I hope you are all doing well. And if you are stopping by for the first time, you're most welcome. If you would like to learn a variety of East African recipes, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to ensure that you're notified every time I upload a new recipe. Today I am making chicken, vegetable and pasta dish. I grab a packet of pasta and I boil it while I prepare my chicken and vegetables. Before I cut my chicken, I wash it and pat it dry with the paper towel. Once the ingredients are done, I check on the pasta and it is ready, so I drain it and set it aside for now. This is another one of my creations and a family favorite, so I thought of sharing it with you all. Please find the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Heat roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and then add the chicken. Brown the chicken and add salt and black pepper to taste. This should take roughly 2 to 3 minutes. I now add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir for another minute, then I remove the chicken. In the same pot, using the same oil, add the onions and saute this for 2 minutes. Add more oil if needed. Add the tomato and cook them together for a minute or two, then add the mixed vegetables. I'm using carrots, sweet corn, green beans and red, green and yellow capsicums. If you're interested in how I freeze my capsicums, I'll place a link to the video on how to freeze capsicums in the description box below. Mix this for a minute or two, then add coriander powder, cumin powder, curry powder, turmeric powder and black pepper. Mix this to combine the spices and vegetables. Add a little bit of water and a tablespoon of vegetable stock powder. Once everything is well mixed together, cook covered for 2 to 3 minutes. I now add the broccoli and stir it for 2 minutes. I now add the chicken and stir. Taste the seasoning at this stage, add salt to taste if needed, and add a tablespoon of garlic paste. Stir this for a few minutes and add water if needed. Then cook covered for 5 minutes to allow enough time for the garlic to cook properly. At this point, the aroma is so good and you can eat it right away. But we still need to add in the pasta. Add the pasta in small increments and mix well to bring it all together. Do this gently to avoid breaking and mashing up the pasta. When everything is combined, the pasta is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up. And for more of my recipes, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new recipe. Please share the video and write your comments, questions or suggestions in the comments section below. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching and see you all in my next video.